Maybe later. Look all the snow. Yeah, who needs snowfall? We got trees. Okay, we're gonna go like this now. Bend your knees a little bit. There you go, it's evening out. This was where Home Alone, the bird lady scene was filmed, by the way. Remember?
Yeah, I can remember.
Oh,
Yeah, but everyone needs to go up there. Excuse me.
Yeah,
Do you think you could take a photo for us?
I'm pretty sure I can.
Alright. Lily!
Lily!
Come, we're going to focus. Sorry. I was taking my own photo. Get a picture.
Alright guys, smile. 2, 3, 4. There you go.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
happy holidays.
Thanks.
You want a photo?
Well, might as well.
Alright. Alright, you guys can return the favor.
Yeah, of course.
I'll let you do it, feel better.
Yeah, I'll do it. No worries. Do you want portrait and landscape?
Yes, please.
Get
Good luck with it, yeah.
I'll get all of it in the back.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And no, I didn't randomly press the flashlight to think I was taking photos. Look at this, this is amazing. Look at this. Look at that. Yeah, it's amazing.
Take these. These are touchscreens.
First world problems.
Yeah.
Take one of those. I'll put some in the pocket. Let's go. Take one.
Would you mind if we stopped for a second in the sun?
You're getting cold. Ooh,
And walk.
I'll do action shots of the snow.
Oh.
Gosh, we haven't seen snow like this for a while, eh?
No.
I have the banana and you can throw it in the bag. Put anything else in there? Just these things. I'll pocket those. Alrighty, that's it.
Still coming down here. Probably better walking on here, really. Huh?
Shall we go?
I just can't. Walk on trail.
That's alright. Alright, let's go into the snow. And we'll be alright.
What? You just leave?
There we go. Now it's going flatter. You can come here. Yeah, it's great. Want to go skating? Not on the tarmac, those. Oh, pavement. Nice.
I mean, I was on all the layers of pictures we got here, especially.
Well done. That's efficient use of resources. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Really?
Really? Really? Really? I dropped a banana peel 3 times. Really?
Really?
I thought it was the bin lady.
No. No, it does.
Girly's dog.
Yeah. That's what it is. That's what's outside.
Is that for the skating?
Looks like it.
So we have to get back on the line?
Wow. You want to go skating?
Nope.
Good, because I'm not going to stand in a queue. Oh, look at that! Yeah, amazing, eh? See, who needs a zoom lens? I got a zoom stick.
Yeah, here it is. Look. The bridge that it was filmed on the way.
Yeah. Look at that. You don't need gloves. You don't need sunglasses, Peter. Look at that. Oh, let's check our ice skating from the top.
Anybody need a map? You need a map, sir? Map park.
Thanks, but I got a phone. Right, it's going to be lots of melted stuff here, so you'll be alright. Come this way.